Good morning, this is Rob from Soudal. Today I want to show you the working of Repair Express Cement. We all have cracks on our driveways, and this is an ideal product to fix this. Together with a joint finish solution to seal it nicely off. I'll show you. Just make sure the cracks are cleaned, and then you can just gun it out very easily into the cracks. You can just easily spread it out, fill up the cracks. If the color is not exactly right, it's an acrylic, you can paint over it. This is it. Thank you.